Okay, hello and welcome back. In this lesson, let's go ahead and talk about this fella right here, the title element. So in the last lesson, we created this page called Hello World, and I'm just going to delete this. And this is the page that we originally had, and it said document up there, right in that tab. So let's go ahead and refresh this, and we're going to see it just says the file name, and that matches the file name here. So hello_world.html, hello_world.html. Same thing. Not really elegant, not what your users are looking for, not search engine friendly. But we can change that with a title element. And so I'm going to write title/title. Let's go ahead. Mine's set to a Django template, but I want to change this from a Django template to an HTML file. So let's go ahead here and change this title. Let's say, hello from Caleb. And refresh. And you can always refresh with Command R or I believe Control R. I'm just using Google Chrome, by the way. It doesn't really matter what browser you're using. But you can just reload the page and it says hello from Caleb. And you can change that at any point in time. We could say hello from Earth. You could do file save, or you can hit Control S or Command S, I believe it is. Yep, Command S on a Mac. I believe it's Control S on Windows. Just go ahead and save that file. Let's go back here, refresh this page. Hello from Earth. And so that's the title tag. Now, you should only ever have one title tag because it's only really ever used once. Having two title tags, your browser's not going to know which one to use, so just make sure you only have the one title tag. Now, the thing about this particular element, this title element, it has to live inside of the head element, and that has to live inside of your HTML element. So now we're getting into nesting. We've got this HTML element, and inside of it, we have head, title, closing element, and we have body, content, closing element. And that's all there is to creating a title in a tab up here using HTML. Nice and easy. Once you're feeling comfortable with that, let's head on over to that next lesson and we'll get started with adding some actual content to our page. So it doesn't just say hello world, it's going to say hello world and maybe a title. We could write a paragraph, we could add multiple titles, things like that.